Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to post reels on Instagram. So let's jump right in. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Tap on the plus icon from the bottom of your screen. Select the reel option from the bottom right corner. Now, choose the media you want to include in your reel. You can select videos or photos from your gallery or record a new one directly in the app. Tap on the next button at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, you can manage the length of the media and add music to your reel. Once you are done, tap on the next button at the top right corner of your screen. On this screen, you can make extra edits like adding clips, music or text. Once you are satisfied with the reel, tap the arrow icon at the top right corner to proceed. Finally, add captions, tag people and choose your location if you want. Once everything is ready, tap on the share button. Tap on the share button again and your reel will be posted on Instagram. And this is how you can post reels on Instagram. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.